All right. For some suggestions or some hints in this quick overview, let me point you to some ideas. So I would say not start with Open Assistant because I've already done that. I would recommend you all to go to Hugging Face and start looking at some data sets there. So I can head over to the datasets tab, and you can already see that the trending sort of all of the trending data sets here, or all of the data sets on top, are already um, chat based examples. So let's go to LM sys chat, and it says this is a large scale real world LLM conversation data set. Now, you might have to be careful if these are permissive for commercial usage or not. For the sake of this assignment, I'm not too worried. I think it's good to just get your hands dirty. So I would say keep an eye out on the fact that, is this a conversation? Is this sort of relevant to what we just learned in the video earlier? And can you load this into LLM Studio conveniently? So you should probably just look at some data sets here, just scroll around and pick one that sort of makes sense for you. You can look at some conversational examples. So add the filter for conversation, and this should bring up, you can see mental health counseling conversations. There's one called function calling. There's one on Mandarin. There are some more clinical ones. So you can see that there's a lot of options to sort of mess around here. I'd say pick any that might be relevant to your interest or might be relevant to you. Just download it. If it's a large data set, probably reduce it to very curated examples. Spend some time there, maybe reduce it to 1,000 examples, 5,000 examples, something like that. So if we go back to the example earlier, this is about 1 million conversations. And instead of all of these 1 million examples and essentially draining your entire AWS bill, I would say, and instead of using the entire 1 million conversations and draining your entire AWS bill there, I'd say reduce them to 10,000. Just randomly sample for starters and train your own model. So spend some time just looking through different options and pick a data set that's relevant to you. Go from there. That's all the suggestions I had. Hopefully, you watched the previous videos where I walked you through how you can train your first experiment. Just go through that again if you struggle. And like always, if you have any issues, just leave a comment or just reach out to us in Discord. I'd be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.